I ended up grinding out all three and just starting from scratch because the key to this whole process is strip out the actual nut itself. What I wasn't doing correctly in the beginning because I didn't bother to even think about or read directions. I still haven't read the directions. It has been explained to me the whole process, but as you screw the nutsert on first, then you put it in, and that compresses it. Move this thing out a little bit more, a little bit more. And the important thing is to have a flush fit on this piece. And there we go. The nutsert is in. Now I can unscrew it here. And no stripping of the nutsert. So much better. This is going to be nice and solid. Now the chore of finding some screws that actually fit inside these nutserts is the next step, and I'm not going to bore you with that. Oh hey, how you doing? Well, I'm about ready to finish up this project. I've gotten the nutserts in, and I had to go to Ace Hardware and get some nuts or some bolts, and I'm just gonna test fit this thing in here just because I'm waiting for parts, and it's nice to just see something done, if you're stalled. So I really wanted to dress this thing up, and I think everybody's probably heard of my hatred for Mr. Allen. However, in this case, I went with these nice stainless steel Allen head screws. This is a low torque application. It's a dress piece. It's wide out. It's wide open. There's plenty of room to to get a wrench in there. So this is a good use of Allen head screws. And I think also the benefit of the Allen head is it gives you a little bit more surface area on the head. I could have gone with, I guess, a hex head on the top, but that's boring. So let me go ahead and see how this thing fits. First, you're going to find the right Allen key, and you know how hard that is. This thing turned out so good. I think I'm gonna definitely replace, but I just got the nutserts with the Allen head screws there, stainless steel. Probably gonna replace these because I don't necessarily like especially the washer, and I think it probably should be just a flush head. So I might go with like a button cap screw on that. But man, this thing is so solid, so good. But the only thing I might do is get it either anodized or just paint it black and call it good. But I don't know, I think I'm gonna leave it as is and probably wait until I get the engine in and see how it looks with the engine, because that looks pretty freaking cool.